perfect gift for poor people for this Christmas. Your presents make their Christmas more special. Let's have some gift ideas. Blanket. Grocery. Medical items. Sweater. School supplies for their kids. Footwear. School fees. Mosquito net. Kitchen vessels. Help them to find jobs. Take them to restaurant. Dress for their kids. Christmas cake. Books. Basic essentials. Fruits. We can pay their house rent for 1 month. Help them to do any small business. New cloths. Homemade good food. Help them to gain new skills for work. Money. Household items. Gift basket. Toys for their kids. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.